Welcome back students, NCERT online class. I am Mithun Sarkar, your online teacher, and I always come back this types of educational video. So subscribe the channel and stay with your teacher. Students, last class we discussed basic idea about computer and different parts of a computer. Okay, if you missed that class, no problems, you can watch. Today we will discuss our topic is input and output device. Okay, last day when we discussed the different parts of computer, I also said that it is some input device, some output device. Okay, so let's start. So first question we can write question number 1. What is input device? You know that the meaning of input, you need to put in something. Okay, so write the answer. You note down with me. Point out like this. Input device. The device is used for something means some documents. You can write the device is used for something. Input in a computer. Okay, the device is used for something. The device is used for some input, something. Something. We need to change this sentence. The device is used for input something in a computer. In a computer means inside the computer. Okay. Then let's different input device. Okay, so number 1 we can write first input device is keyboard. We can write the uses also together. It is used for write. Very easily we need to write. Then number 2, mouse. It is used for input commands. Input commands means when you need to identify something, you need to use mouse. Okay. Then number 3 is very important. Pen drive scanner. It is also very important input device. It is used for input documents with scan. Imagine you have a printout. You have a book, you have a magazine. That parts you need to input inside your computer. Then you need to use scanner. Okay. Then another input device is, we can write pen drive. It is same thing. It is used for input picture, documents or videos in computer. When you need to input some pictures, some documents or videos inside your computer, we use pen drive. Okay. In CPU we have a USB port we can use. Then we can, I hope students, you note down the number 2 on, so I can graph number 2. Okay. Then CD. It is also a input device. CD or DVD. CD or DVD. It is a disc. CD disc, DVD disc, or some of the time also floppy disc. Okay, we can use this one also as a input device. It is also same to same. It is used for input picture, documents or videos in a computer. Used for input. It is like that a pen drive. Okay, pictures, videos, documents in a, actually in a computer means inside the computers. Actually now we use mainly maximum time pen drive, but we can use CD or DVD discs also. Okay, so mainly this is our 5 points for input device. We use mainly this one also. Okay, now student note down. I will give 2 minutes. Then we will discuss about our output device. Okay students, I hope you note down all of this. Okay, so now I can graph. We can use here. If you can't note down with me, no problem. You watch this video again and again, and then you note down. And when you note down, I request you students, please read it properly and remember also. These types of question always come in our exam in computer part. I here now we will discuss output. What is output device? Sorry, output device. Then we can write here output. The device is used for output something in a computer. Output means it is display. The device is used for output something from a computer. Sorry, you can change here. We know that when you write something using your keyboard, it is display on your monitor, so it is output. Then when you need to print something, we use printer. When you print a hard copy, that means a page or any pictures, it is your output. Okay, so from a computer, when you used output something, that is called output device. Okay, now discuss one by one. First one is monitor. Monitor is the main output device of a computer, because without monitor we can't use computer. Okay, it is used for display documents, pictures, videos, etc. Why I write etc? Because what you want to display, what you want to saw in your from your computer, it is use monitor, because it is always display on monitor. Okay, then we can write next one is printer. Okay, printer is, it is used for print something. It is used for print something. Why I write something? Because sometimes we print our different PDF file, then we can print our picture using our color printer. Okay, printer is two types, color printer, then black and white printer also. Okay, then we can write the main points. Speaker. It is used for listening. It is used for listening sounds. When you watch my class with the help of computer or laptop, it is used for listening of my voice. Or when you listen a song, when you watch a movie in a computer or laptop, or it is used to listening sounds. Okay, so it is sounds is outside, that means it is output device. Okay, then student, I hope you note down the first point, so we can write another points also, note down it. Okay, I will wrap the main first point. Then we can write number 4, headphones. Headphone. It is also same to same. It is used for listening sound. Listening sounds. Okay. Then another output device. Okay, you can write this 4 output devices mainly. Okay, so note down properly. Student, I hope this class is helpful for your study. Okay, so if you like this class, if you want this types of class regularly, at first subscribe your channel and stay with your teacher. Okay, thank you, love you.